Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Xplained channel. In this session, I am going to explain about the oil shale. What is meant by oil shale and where it is available, and how it can be converted into a useful form of energy source, and what are its applications. All these things we will discuss in this session. Oil shale means it is any sedimentary rock, and that will produce the solid organic matter, and that can be refined to that oil which is similar to that of the petroleum products, and that can be used similar to that of the petroleum products. Here the rocks, whatever we can see, these are the any sedimentary rock, and from that it contains in it the organic matter, and if it is crushed and distilled, then we are going to get the tar like oil we can see whatever here, the tar like oil we are going to get, and the whatever the oil we are going to get, that can be distilled, distillation can be carried out, there we are going to get the oil, okay, that is called as a shale oil, and it is having the similar property like that whatever the petroleum products are there, diesel or petrol, and there those can be used for some of the applications. And from this, not only the shale oil we are going to produce, the some other products also we are going to produce, byproducts, those can be used for the different applications. Here we can see these are the sedimentary rocks, and here if that rock is burned, inside that rock whatever the organic material is there, that can be readily burns and releases the heat, and that is the main intention that one to use this oil shale as an alternative energy source. And naturally it is available on the earth surface, or it can be mined from the earth underside, and that can be used for production of the shale oil. And here that explanation regarding this oil shale will take. The oil shale is any sedimentary rock containing various amount of solid organic material that yields a petroleum products. Similar to the petroleum products we are going to yield from it, along with a variety of solid byproducts when subjected to a pyrolysis. The pyrolysis is the controlled combustion of that any organic material, okay, then it is called a pyrolysis, that already I have discussed while discussing about the biomass. That is pyrolysis. Once again here it is explained, a treatment that consists of heating up rock above the 300 degrees Celsius or above 575 degrees Fahrenheit in the absence of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, that pyrolysis can be carried out. The liquid oil extracted from the oil shale, once it is upgraded and creates a types of synthetic crude oil that is commonly referred to as shale oil. The oil shale, whatever it is a sedimentary rock, and shale oil, the what oil we have produced from the sedimentary rock, that is a shale oil. Okay. Then oil produced from the oil shale has a potential commercial value in some of the same markets served by the conventional crude oil, as it can be refined into a product ranging from diesel, petrol to a liquefied petroleum gas. We can refine it to range of these fuels. The diesel can be produced, petrol can be produced, liquefied petroleum gas can be produced from it by the refining of this shale oil. Some of the solid byproducts of the oil shale processing are unusable waste, some of the unusable waste, or some of the benefits also, some of the useful waste also there, but others have the commercial value. Some of the unusable waste and some have the commercial value for them. These includes sulfur, ammonia, alumina, soda ash, and nacolite, a mineral from the sodium bicarbonate. And these sulfur, ammonia, and alumina, soda ash, and nacolite are used for some of the chemicals in the some other processes as useful products. In addition, spent shale has been used in the production of cement. The crushed, whatever this sedimentary rock is there, okay, that crushed rock can be used in the cement production. Where the carbon rich material, that is a carbon rich material, as it is a carbon only present in the organic material, that's why it's a carbon rich material, can enhance the energy balance of the mixture. Okay, then the cement, the energy balance it will enhance. At the same time, oil shale production has a potentially significant effect on the natural environment. On the natural environment, it also some of the having the effects, and those including carbon emission. The carbon emission will be taking place if you burn it. Okay, the water consumption, water is required for the pyrolysis as well as that distillation process, and groundwater contamination, that groundwater contamination from the products of this whatever the shale oil production is there, and disturbances of land surfaces. Disturbance of land surfaces means if you carry out the mining for getting the sedimentary rocks, then that will disturb the land surfaces. Like that, some of the difficulties or disadvantages also associated with this oil shale production. Then how the shale oil can be produced as a liquid fuel, which is similar to that of the petroleum products? There are two methods. Okay, the oil shale deposit, whatever oil shale deposit, from that, okay, here directly it is available on the surface. Then fracturing of that sedimentary rocks will be carried out. Okay, retrotting, the retrotting of that fractured material. Then product recovery. Okay, the product whatever is that means the whatever the tar like oil whatever producing, that will be recovered. Okay, the after fracturing, the continuous, that is some of the process rotating, and from that the separation of the oil will be whatever is that will be carried out, and from that the oil whatever coming out, that will be recovered. Then that will be sent to a refining, and later liquid fuels we are going to take. The refining, whatever the process is there, that is given here. Thermal and chemical treating hydrogenation. Thermal with the heat and some chemical reactions are carried out, that one, that is a treating with the hydrogenation. Okay, there is hydrogen addition to that one. All these will be carried out in the refining process, and thereby producing the liquid fuels, and some byproducts also we are going to produce, the what we have discussed, the byproducts. If at the surface it is not available, then we have to carry out the mining process. After the mining process, we are going to get the sedimentary rocks, and later the same process, that is crushing and retrotting. Okay, then the spent shale whatever is that is crushed the sedimentary rock, that is a spent shale, we'll call that one. That will be there only it is disposed, and that can be used for the cement industry already as we discussed. Then oil whatever is extracted from here after retrotting, and that is sent to a refining, and later almost liquid fuels and byproducts we are going to produce. Like this, in the two way, the shale oil we can produce from the oil shale deposit. Okay, as this is the one of the oil shale is one of the renewable energy sources. Whatever the sedimentary rocks are there, those are continuously available on the earth, and that is not required any other, that is in the process for that one, and directly we can convert that into that oil shale. Okay, shale oil from that one. Okay, we can generate similar to that of the petroleum products. That is another alternative source of energy. It is partially renewable as we are using the rocks there. Okay, that is but it can be considered as a renewable source of energy. The another renewable source of energy that can be used if in the certain regions, that is sedimentary rocks are available. Thanks for watching, and if you like, subscribe my channel and share and comment. Thank you once again.